So this is going to sound a little bit harsh, but sellers lie all the time. People selling businesses bullshit you completely, and I mean the most common ones are obviously that they've got this big queue of buyers that are ready to do a deal with them. That you're just one of many, and all the others have got their checkbooks open and ready, and they're just about to write that check. And yeah, it's nonsense. They probably haven't. If they have, they should take it with both hands and run for the hills. There is one born every day apparently, so maybe they were lucky and they found the one. So I've got loads of buyers is the most common one, but also just about future contracts, about current contracts, about the size of the business, the health of the business, the ambitions of people within the business and what they want to do. You really just have to take everything that you're told with a massive pinch of salt. And also the best way to do this, I think Warren Buffett used the line, "Price is my due diligence." So in other words, if you've paid a low enough price at the beginning, then everything else doesn't really matter so much. And so he very much looks at the intrinsic value of the business. And if he can buy the business at its intrinsic value, then future performance and stuff is less important. We used to have an expression when I had a market stall when I was a teenager, that if you bought it right, it was kind of half sold. If you got the price right at the beginning, half the job was done. And that's really, really true with businesses. So we talk about getting this asymmetric risk. So if you can cover as much of the downside as possible, then you only leave room for upside. And the easiest way to cover as much of the downside as possible is not to pay loads of cash up front or borrow money with personal guarantees to do deals. So if you do the deals in the right way, then you cover your downside and you only leave room for upside in the future.